In today's video, I'll be revealing an underrated product that's making an impressive sales of $260,000 with minimal competition. Stick around, and I'll guide you on how to kickstart a similar business using the power of AI. From generating ideas effortlessly to designing professional products, I've got you covered. Keep watching till the end because I will also tell you a trick that'll make you stand out and increase your earnings. Let's get straight to the point. I am talking about printable flashcards for kids' education. Flashcards are an engaging way for kids to learn, connecting images with relevant words covering various topics like animals, shapes, numbers, and colors. Etsy indicates a demand for printable flashcards with low competition, and the market is on an upward trend, making it an ideal time to jump in. If you search flashcards on Etsy, you will notice that people are selling these flashcards in many different ways. For example, this listing is selling jungle animals flashcards, and this one is selling fruit flashcards, or this one is about forest animal flashcards. So the possibilities to make money with this business idea are endless. If you watch the reviews of these listings, you will notice that every one of these listings is getting consistent reviews, which is a good sign. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you don't know where to start, simply head on towards ChatGPT and ask it to give 15 niches for printable flashcards for kids. As you can see on the screen, it provided various niche options. From these options, you can choose any niche you want. I will go with the animal and habitats niche because I found a similar type of flashcard on Etsy. Once the niche is finalized, write another prompt saying, "Give me 10 flashcard ideas for kids between 3 and 10 years old on animal and habitats niche." Instead of animal and habitat niche, you can write your chosen niche. You will get many cool ideas with a description explaining each one. Once you have selected your flashcard idea, we will move on towards the next step. In our case, I would choose to go with polar animals for my flashcard design. Now you have to transform your ideas provided by ChatGPT into a finished product by creating main component illustrations. Leonardo.ai stands out as the best AI image generator at the moment, offering customization options and image quality. To keep the prompt simple, I have divided my prompt into 3 parts: subject, style, and customization. In our case, the subject would be a penguin living in a cold climate. Now, as you know, we are making flashcards for kids, so our style part would be a 3D style character, and for the customization part, I would write 4K resolution to get better results. After writing the prompt, hit generate, and it will give an outstanding character. Once your character is finalized, repeat this process for other animals too. When you are completed, save the designs on your device. Canva has a tool to help you design printable flashcards for free, so simply head to Canva and search for a flashcard. As you can see on the screen, Canva provides different flashcard templates. You can select any of the templates that suits you. Once you are in a template, you can start by uploading the illustrations you've created in Leonardo.ai. Now replace the illustration with your uploaded illustrations and change the label with animal names. Once you are done, save them as a PDF. You can see clearly in just a matter of clicks, we have successfully created an excellent printable flashcard. You can repeat the same process until you finish all illustrations. You can also change the card's color or choose another font if you like. If you closely look at your competitors, you will see that all of them are providing printable PDF flashcards only. To set yourself apart, provide an extra value on Etsy. Offer something for free, such as coloring pages in the same niche as your flashcards. Use AI to generate these coloring pages. You can use this prompt you see on the screen to generate the coloring pages. This added value will attract customers and increase your chances of making sales. After all, everyone loves getting things for free. Now all you need to do is keep making different designs and then list them on Etsy to hopefully start seeing results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy entrepreneuring.